Hello guys, I got 4 keys here now. I'm gonna unbox some box. I don't know what box. And let's see. I know. Use with what box? I will do like I'm gonna unbox this. Yep, I'm sure. Okay, unboxing a top box. Okay, that was not so great. Town, spent well spirits. Demo Town. I got Demo Town. I'll play some game. Use with what can I use this with? How like I don't know how. It's not good to know. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna unbox. Yeah, I know what box I'm gonna unbox. Other town box, my last town box. Okay, what I got. Town, I see you. Oh no, sniper taunt. Okay, how about use with what they're gonna use with okay. I don't know what box I can upgrade. I can unbox. Okay, gonna unbox like haha. Oh yeah. I would like to choose what is this? No, not this. This. Yep, I'm sure. I don't know what I'm gonna got. Oh, dueling minigame. Okay, gonna use my last key. Use with. Okay, I'm gonna take it with. What's your? This. Oh, I will be lucky. I will be lucky. Please, please, please. Last key. Oh no! The shortstop. The shortstop. Yep, that was my unbox with the 4 keys. I hope you guys will like this video because it was unboxing video. I got this dueling minigame, and I got this taunt. I see you, and where is it? I got Demo Taunt. So yeah guys, see you next time.